When drought started, it started in the month of April when they started cultivating. They only realized one rain which came once, then disappeared up to date.
So this research is looking for ways to use remote sensing technology to improve agricultural practices in South Asia, for example, in Bangladesh, in West Africa, this is Mali and Nigeria, and then in East Africa, which is Tanzania and Uganda.
What destroyed these crops after germinating was too much sunshine, unreliable rainfall, then there is an outbreak of pests.
The products from this project aim at giving information so that it is done timely.